आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
मेरे साथ मिस उज़मा मौजूद है, ये भी अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करेंगी इसी प्रोग्राम के रिलेटेड। जी मिस।
Thank you so much for giving me a chance to attend this beautiful workshop, and actually this is my first chance to appear in this kind of activity, and I learned a lot. This is very effective and it's groomed me.
Have you ever imagined कि इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग पाकिस्तान गुजरात में भी हो?
No, I did not imagine. Thank you so much, and especially Miss Shumaila give me a chance to...
The organizer.
Yeah, the organizer. And I met her the first time, and I appreciate her that she gave me a chance to attend this workshop, and I get support from all the fellow.
Thank you so much, Miss Uzma. Very nice word.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।